Welcome everyone to Couch Potato. Today, Creators Talk Creation पे I have with me a pilot and a comic, Manik Mehta. Hello sir. Hello.
Hello, people, all 500 of you.
No, I'll do a paid promotion
No,
and 2K will come this time.
no, it's okay. It's okay.
But
I am used to this. I am used to this. I notice you have more followers than me, so it's okay.
yeah, hello sir. Hello. Great to have you here.
Hi. Thank you so much for inviting me. This is my first podcast ever.
Thank you
And
for being here.
first times are really hard. You know that, no, Mayank?
Yeah. I
You remember
do.
the first time you made out how hard it was? I don't mean how hard it was. It's a hard thing to do. So let me start with one of my very favorite crowd interaction jokes.
Oh my god. Uh, but
You'll get a lot of cringe content tonight.
no, I mean, people should see your stand up because, like, tell me how the hell does a pilot, get into stand up business, and like these two things are like way apart from each other. And I mean, a pilot is usually content with his life and he doesn't want anything more, you know. That is my vision of being a pilot. That's how it is.
That, that's exactly what he said, by the way. Sapan Verma, that's exactly what he said when I took him to my squadron and showed him some fighter aircraft in Vizag
Yeah.
after his, show. He had a Black Dog Easy Evenings thing.
Okay.
And you're like, you want to be a comedian. You want to, you fly these machines. And he was like, I could see that, that chote bacche wala spark in his eyes to see so many jets. But frankly speaking, very, very frankly speaking, I
Yeah.
think you're hyping it too much. It's a bit of a hype. And yeah, it
Uh,
sounds very snazzy. But it's like any other uh, job, job having guy trying to do something else. It's just as simple as that.
right.
So it's just that I was in the military, so it seems to be, and you get very awed by the whole concept, but it's nothing really. It's just that I love stand-up comedy, and I fell in love with it, and I thought I am damn funny, and I can do this shit. so so that
Yeah.
was the whole. And after that, once you start doing it, you come to know that it's not a piece of
Right.
cake, and there's so much more
Right.
involved. And I stuck by it. So many times I just wonder at my age, having a family, and there's so many other priorities. You got your parents getting old, your daughter growing up, and you have so many other responsibilities, and all in between all that, here I am, one attention-seeking, childlike personality. So,
Yeah.
so I sometimes feel that I should just do my job, enjoy life. There's so much to do. There's so much to do
Right.
that you can't fit everything in a day's work. So, but yes, I love stand-up comedy, and that's how I joined stand-up comedy, thinking that I will excel at it
Right.
without much effort.
Right.
So I am still not putting much effort, so I am not excelling at it. But then still, there are times like these when you get motivated and you feel, yeah, fine, ठीक है,
Yeah.
not that bad, it's okay.
Right. And when did you start stand up? Like, how did you come across it? What is the story behind it?
Stand up, if you really history of stand up, I won't go into. But yes, we had Johnny Lever, and we had Bakra Kishtope from that Pakistani series, and we had Raju Srivastav,
Yeah.
and we never called it stand up comedy. And for more information on this, you can watch Vipul Goel's feed.
Yeah.
But my point is that Russell Peters was the first authentic conventional stand-up comedian that you came across,
Okay.
and I think that was in 2014, 2004.
Oh, damn.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry, no. I am so sorry. I got it all mixed up. 2010. 2010.
Okay.
I was doing sea time. I was on a ship in Port Blair, in the
Wait,
Andamans.
what
and
are
used to
you?
sail a lot.
Like, you were in the Navy or in the Army?
I was in the Navy, Indian
Okay.
Navy,
Okay.
in the aviation wing. Okay, but as executive officers, you need to do your sea time for your promotions, because
Oh,
you
damn.
need to
Okay.
prove your worth on a ship
So is it like these,
professionally.
like when you say
So
that you
the,
were in the aviation department of the Indian Navy,
yeah,
uh,
yeah.
आर दीज द वंस जो कि जेट्स एयरक्राफ्ट कैरियर से
सब
उड़ाते
कुछ,
हैं?
हाँ वो भी उड़ाते हैं, सब कुछ उड़ाते हैं. So we got
डैम.
like there are three wings, or you got the fighter stream, you got the helicopter stream, rotary, and you got the MR stream. We don't call it transport in the Navy because they're all to do with maritime reconnaissance. Any big aircraft, big or small,
Hmm.
fixed wing aircraft that you see, which is not a fighter in the
Yeah.
Navy, is not khali inside. It's got a lot of equipment. It's got
Okay.
sonars.
Of course.
It's got a lot of avionics
Hmm.
and weapons as well. So it's there to do maritime reconnaissance. It's got radars, and then it basically oversee. They go and do reconnaissance missions and pick up other targets and so on and so forth. It's a major part of the naval aviation. Choppers are also different kinds. Basically, helicopters are primarily shipborne
Right.
flights.
Okay.
They do operate from the land also, but they go with the ship. There's a helideck behind. There are just
Oh.
normal search and rescue helicopters which are used for both communication duties. Communication means transferring personnel, transferring stuff. Then for search and rescue, like whenever there are floods and you see those choppers, Chetaks, they are also search and rescue for other aircraft. Somebody else crashes, so they are the
Oh
first people
damn.
on the scene of action.
Right.
And you have got very specific tasks for choppers as well.
Hmm.
They are doing maritime reconnaissance as well. They are doing anti-submarine operations like the Sea King, and they are doing marine commando operations as well. So I think we
Wow.
will be talking a lot about the Navy today rather than stand-up comedy. But yes, so you join the aviation wing, then you get trained with the Air Force, and the whole training pattern keeps changing,
Okay.
keeps evolving. Like at one time, we were sending pilots from the fighter stream to US Navy as well, to Pensacola,
Wow.
2 year stint there. So that was there, but I got primarily trained with the Air Force, and then you have a we have a trifurcation board after you finish your flying, basic ab initio flying, and then you got selected. You give your choice, and they see your performance, and then you get whatever stream you get. So Navy has a very small fighter stream because
Oh.
earlier we only had the Harriers, and now we have MiG-29Ks and the Hawks as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, and then you get into the training pattern for the fighters. So again, I flew with the Air Force. At one time, I had more time. I had spent more time with the Air Force than the Navy. That was around 2000, 2001, because I was flying the MiG-21s with the Air Force, and that is also
Wow.
part of a syllabus and part of a curriculum. And then you get back to the Navy
Damn.
and you do your stuff. So now you are a pilot, but then you need to go back to the ship on various at various junctures.
Right.
For professional growth. For professional growth.
Hmm.
So one of these sea time, we call it sea time. So I was in Andamans, and then so Andamans, you normally have a 15-day kind of a deployment. You go down south to the south group of islands or the north group of islands, and we normally used to go to SGI, that is the south group, till Campbell Bay, till the Indra Point. And 15 days you're just doing reconnaissance because there's a lot of smuggling happening there. The sea turtles or sea urchins, I don't know what it is called now. That thing, that animal is used to make Viagra. So
Oh.
there's a lot of poaching happening over there, and there's marshy lands and so many islands. And you also provide logistic support to the naval bases down south. So you take a lot of load on your ship, and you keep you know kind of landed there, and then you keep roaming around for 15 days. So one form of entertainment on the ship is that you get movies on CDs and stuff like that. But then I think 2010 is around when the
Yeah.
pen drive came in, and then
Oh
you would
yeah.
get a lot of stuff on the pen drives. And then, like I remember, I watched the whole How I Met Your Mother sitcom in these deployments, and it was such that uh, a very interesting tale. There's one chopper which was supposed to come for trials on our ship.
Yeah.
So so everybody knows that an aviator I was the executive officer of the ship, the second in command,
Yeah.
and you look after all operations. So I sent one of the youngsters to the squadron in Utkrosh, that is the base there
Right.
In Port Blair. And all the aviators are very sort of style marte. They saw a young sub lieutenant. Okay,
Yeah,
we will
yeah.
come, we will hover, we will winch down our a small bag, just put 2 beers in it, and then we'll winch it up, and then that's how we prove our winching operations. So my youngster called me from there, sir. They have told, sir, 2 beers. Can you just tell them that I want there's one other officer. He was a Dornier pilot, and he's in Indigo as well right now. Captain Santosh Krishnan, very good friend. And so I knew that he had season 6 and season 7, whatever season was going on then, of How I Met Your Mother. That please tell them to contact Santo, and I need season 6 and 7 of How I Met Your Mother, and only then will they get what they want. So pinching off is
Oh,
happening, and we
man.
are all on walkie-talkies and okay, steady.
Things
yes,
we did.
take the bag, and then I get a call on the RT. Please convey to X-Ray Oscar. We have completed our part of the deal. So like pen drive aa gaya, okay. Send the 2 beers.
Things we used to do
So that-
like bag to bag in school. You guys used to do from one base to another base. Holy
we were in the middle of the sea. We were in the
Holy
middle of the
shit,
sea.
man.
And
This is
so
so
that's
cool.
where in one of these folders, you saw Russell Peters.
Yeah.
And there were a lot of motivational videos also. There were folders of motivational videos as well.
Yeah.
To keep yourself motivated. And
Just
so
a
Russell
minute.
Peters.
जस्ट अ मिनट मम्मी पॉडकास्ट के बीच में मम्मी अरे बाद में देख लेंगे माँ फोन बाय नहीं हाँ फोन दे दो उसको पुराना वाला प्लीज कर लो ट्रांजैक्शन हम कर दिए फॉर्मेट ओके यस आई एम सो सॉरी
No, it's okay.
no
I
no
hope this was
privacy to a
recorded.
23-24 year old yeah this is all recording
Okay.
yeah
So then
continue
I saw, and then you watched Russell Peters, nice stage. So, initial videos, he's in a white shirt and that very
yes
peculiar
oh my
stage.
god such hilarious stuff the ones he did
Somebody gonna get hurt very bad. And
Real
you keep
bad.
watching it and you're like, and profanity to its core, but people are laughing and it's fun and so many. Now you see Russell Peters, he's doing the same thing.
yeah
More dignified, but then it was new that this guy, यहाँ पे हम 4 Bollywood actors की mimicry करते हैं. He's mimicking
Yeah.
ethnicities and
Yeah.
international mimicry,
yeah
and especially the Indian bit. So
Yeah.
you felt offended also at times. There was a bit about where he came to Bombay and the airplane door opened and it stinks, and you felt Bharat Mata does not stink.
oh
So you
damn
had that. But all in all, I saw. Then you got to know
Yeah.
this is stand-up comedy, and this is what it is, and this is really funny, and
right
what amazing! You got so many people watching, laughing, and so from there on, after that, cut to 2014, 15 is when I watched my first show.
right.
After that, YouTube came in bit by bit. Then I first watched my first show. I think it was. So Vizag, when I came to Vizag comedians, every month there's something happening. So I
Oh
I
yeah,
think
because
I-
of Navy, you must have like come to Vizag a lot, right?
No, I just got transferred to Vizag in 2014.
And how
And
long
then I
were
was
you
there
here?
for 5 to 6 years. I was here 5 years. 2019, I retired from Vizag.
Oh
itself.
shit, you were oh damn till 2019.
Yeah.
If I
first
would
July
have started
2019.
like comedy a year earlier, I would have met you
Okay.
for sure.
So, no, but I have a lot of loyalties to Vizag comedians, the comedians group, Rob Gangji, just for the fact that that is how I got into stand-up comedy, and there were a lot of I don't know if I should bring this up here, but yes, like any other profession, there are a lot of controversies and stuff like that. But then I always had my loyalties with that because this is the banner under which
Yeah.
a lot of comics really had issues with working with the comedian group.
Okay.
And rightly so, they had their point, but this was the only option we had, and Park he really used to
Exactly.
support us. Sadik, the manager, I think it was his birthday day before yesterday or something.
Oh.
And so I watched Azim Banatwala in Bangalore. Azim was
Okay.
doing a show, and like I was in Whitefield for a month. I was looking after something, and then
Hmm.
no, I think Azim, yeah, that was the first. So I went for the show, and I liked it, and I watched all his YouTube videos first to see
Of
what
course.
happens. And they're really funny.
Of course, yeah.
Then you go there, and then you're watching, and you're like, I know this joke. I know this joke also. So
De do, ma!
30% when you feel cheated because you are an ignorant imbecile. You have no
Yeah.
clue that you can't
Yeah.
keep making new jokes. And that was a time when comedians also
Yeah.
were not as aware
Give
about
me a
how much
minute.
content to put.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah,
give me a
go.
minute. My parents are just.
New mobile.
Give me a minute.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, we were talking about Vizag comedians. Yeah.
Yeah, why is a comedian? So then I watched Azim, and it was delightful to have a performer right in front of you live. Some people were heckling him, the way he handled them. First comedy show, you know how it feels. Suddenly
Yeah.
you feel like this is amazing. There's one hero, one protagonist, nothing else, and he's in charge, in control. Once
Yeah.
the show got over, he was sitting right back there having his dinner. I walked up. It's like, the star is here. And I was like, a very nice show. And he was obviously so used to it. And I felt very nice that you could just talk to him. Yeah. I was just short of probably taking an autograph, maybe. But yes, because we are from the autograph generation, not selfie generation.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, so anyway, I was very, very impressed. And after that, I came back to Vizag and I watched a couple of shows before I texted their group on Facebook.
Yeah.
So I remember it was, I think, Amit Tandon, Rajneesh Sharma, and
Okay.
Mahip Singh, their show. In fact, I got checked in that show for taking a video because I was trying to
Oh
take
shit.
a video, not to record content, but I was so
Got it.
whatever amazed with what's happening. Just wanted to record a video, and I was told by Rajneesh to make just only photographs. And then I messaged them. Then I joined the group. Shyam Tenali was Geetam, engineering student who was handling stuff then. Rauf Gangji used to come down to host these shows. So the pattern was very, very set and quite standard.
This
That
was
two
where?
comics in Vizag,
In Vizag. Okay.
2015.
Oh.
Yeah,
all right.
2015. So every month, 30 to 45 days, one show in the park. And it was all curated. Everything was done by the park. You had to just get the comics and one big name, one medium name. So these two comics would do 20, 25 minutes each. And Rob would host, and you get one or two spots for the local comics. And that's why, he would
Yeah.
encourage the local talent. So then I did a couple of open mics. And finally, November of 2015 is when I got my first spot on stage. And that was with Kanan Gill and Azim
Wow.
Banatwalites.
Wow.
Kanan and Azim.
Yeah.
And so I got my 5 minutes of fame, in which I don't think I bombed, but then looking back, I started by roasting Kanan and the host, Rauf Gangji, both. I thought it'll be a very good sport and very impressive to start with a joke on both of them. I did that. After that, I didn't get a spot for a few months.
Oh man.
In the 5 minutes. Kanan Gill, I was joking about, Colonel Gill, but his dad was in the army, so something like that. That was a very lame joke. And then Rav Gangji, that was a very good joke, and he didn't take it sportingly. Because that was a very nice joke, because we had just got, that movie had just come out. That Ranbir Kapoor and Priyanka Chopra has got that.
Anjana
problem that,
Anjani.
No.
Then?
That itni si hasi, itni
Oh,
si khushi,
Barfi. Yeah.
Barfi.
Yeah.
So Priyanka was, her name was something else. in that
Yeah,
movie.
yeah, yeah.
What was the name? Gunjan or something.
Yeah.
Something.
Must have
So I
been.
was like, because Rob Gangji always says that he's half German, half Indian. So I was like, it's like BMW में Maruti का engine है. Some little joke. And what would Priyanka Chopra in that movie, if she had to call out for Rauf Gangji, what would it sound like? Or Rahul Gandhi. Call out for Rahul Gandhi, it would sound like Rauf Gangji. So that was a joke. And it made sense to me in my head. But
Oh man.
so then slowly, then Shyam Tenali passed out, he left. Sridhar was there for some time, Sridhar Venkatraman, who's doing very well in Bombay. And he was with PepsiCo then, now he's with Star Sports. And he used to be, because he had come from Bangalore and he had some experience of comedy with him, and his style is totally unique. He does those, one-liners or fun and wordplay and stuff like that. So that was very interesting and a great learning experience.
Right.
So Sridhar used to be around for some time. He was there.
Yeah.
Otherwise, these college kids used to handle everything, and I was there. Then these guys left. So then slowly, surely, then I took over, and somebody was required to So Rolf used to do everything himself, and then I started doing it. And from spots, then he at one point in 2016 or something, he said that it's too much for me to come down for this one thing. You handle. I think you're doing okay. So I hosted Azim for his first special. Not very great, but it was okay. That was the beginning, I think, when it all started. And then we started. I started looking after the group as such, the Vizag chapter, to tie up with primarily with OML for the big names, and that's how I got to know a lot of comics, a lot of managers, and they also knew that Vizag में अगर किसी को कराना है show तो this is the room to go to, because Park really took good care. Payments were prompt.
People loved the Park, like I've heard that
No,
a lot of comedians are
Yeah,
like,
but-
we love the vibe of the Park, and all that.
yeah, but we had our low days also with very good names. You would have very few people coming, so that also happens because I don't know. That's what is very sad about Vizag. That
It's taking
support.
it takes a lot. I don't know. It is taking a
Yeah.
lot of time for the scene to grow, because
So
you started in
we did a-
2015 and
No, but I am nobody to not a measuring stick to go by, because
Yeah.
Sumit Saurav started with me.
No,
Okay.
but
He was also in
what
the
I'm trying
comedians
to
group.
say, what I'm trying
in
to say
Calcutta.
is, every city that has been doing stand up since 2014, 15. Even in fact, even the Kolkata scene, as you said, Sumit Saurav started in 15. So pretty much the same. But in Kolkata, it has grown a lot. But from Vizag, there's not a single comedian who still has a
You-
video out and millions
you
and stuff
speak
like
with
that.
you speak with comedians from Kolkata. They will have a
I do.
different view. They will crib
Yeah.
about.
That's true.
There's too much of monopoly or ये नहीं ticket नहीं ये वो. But there are a lot of options there.
Right.
For very meager rentals, you can get a 400, 500 seater, that Kala Academy or whatever it is.
Right.
I did my first show there. We had a paid show there, lineup show, with one comic from different cities. The comedians ka show tha. So
Oh.
I was there. I especially went representing Vizag,
Wow.
and we had Satya. I think Satya had come from, I think he was in Pune then, or Pune, maybe Raipur, and then we had one or two local comedians.
Yeah.
So that way they have options, but then still I don't think they are very happy. But yes, it's definitely better than Vizag.
Right.
So Vizag, that way we did a Vizag comedy fest as well. So a lot of push, but it was really hard. You had gallery, you had Glutton's Garage is another venue we
Yeah.
had. Then we had one more. I'm forgetting the name.
Naveen Kumar and Anand Ratnam did in Glutton's Garage in January this year, and
Okay.
now-
No, I know.
even
I had-
Taj,
there was
like Taj, used to be the place. for
Novotel में भी
special-
कुछ हो रहा है नहीं? Novotel approached us or rather me a couple of times. They wanted to do something. Taj also did, but we had our kind of an allegiance with the park.
Yeah, Sai Kiran
So,
did in Novotel recently, like
Yeah.
24th. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I told them I'll get you the comic, I'll get you the setup, but we will not associate with it because we want to promote stand-up comedy. But then there was this whole thing कि park के साथ है तो दूसरा तो but they were not very. They decided also at that point. So I don't know. Like we collaborated with LVC, Las Vegas Comedy
Oh,
Club from Goa.
right.
For Abhishek Upmanyu's show. Rather, Abhishek Upmanyu come later for Zakir Khan's show.
Oh,
So I said Zakir Khan's show has to be a 1,000-seater auditorium. It has to be a big thing.
right.
Now, what is that children's arena? Buddha Children's Arena.
Yeah.
1 lakh. I don't know what rentals. Rentals are out of the. It's too much. But there are ways. Now I know that if you call it kind of a children's activity, there's some clause in which straight away rental goes down. Anyhow,
Wow.
that was there. Another place where we finally did the Upmanyu show. It's a very good venue and very cheap. Only thing you have to book well in advance. But sadly, after that show with Upmanyu, I left Vizag. But the people have the contacts. But for Zakir's show, I actually went and met the CMD of Vizag Port Trust,
Oh,
because they had an amazing auditorium.
Manik sir, you are stuck. Hello. You're back.
Yeah, so 1 week before the show date, that
Yeah.
thing was going under renovation for 2 or 3 years.
Wow.
So I actually took an appointment, walked into his office in my overalls, in uniform, but not in the overalls which we normally don't go out from the airbase, just to kind of. And I spoke with him that stand-up comedy is a kind of an art form,
Yeah.
some culture, and Zakir Khan is a big name, and we just want to introduce and spread this performing art in the city. People should know, and this is the place which we need. And he gave a clearance that we
Wow.
will delay the renovation. And after that, we had a couple of meetings. The tickets, the artwork, the posters were printed. We used to almost meet every other day in the gallery, sit and plan out as to how to
Right.
go about. And
हाँ.
then suddenly the show,
अरे रुक जाइए. हाँ. Tell me.
and then suddenly the show was taken away, and it was taken over by, I think, Red FM or Radio Mirchi. Somebody
Right.
else took over. So I
Right.
got a call from, I think, Siddharth. Siddharth is no more now. LVC.
अरे रुक जाइए 5 मिनट. Yeah.
I don't know whom I was dealing with then,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
so that was quite a big jolt, because we had put so much effort. And ठीक है, उसका तो हुआ, that show happened, but I don't know, big brands, they don't really market that
Right.
much or whatever. They found some venue. I don't think, but it was a very interesting
Experience.
whole experience up to the time it got cancelled, because I used to
Right.
keep talking to this LVC guy who was, we were collaborating for this show, and this one time his mobile was being used for the music before a show, Zakir's show in Goa. So I called him, and we were chatting almost every day. And I called, and I'm speaking with him, and he's acting weird. I said, Siddharth, we have talked about Zakir Khan show.
Yeah.
I'm Manik speaking.
Yeah.
Who are you?
Oh my God.
Manik, we spoke yesterday. Manik. What, Manik from Delhi? I said, no, Vizag, Zakir Khan show. What show? I don't know. I was drunk yesterday.
What
I'm
the
thinking,
hell,
what?
dude?
And I am just thinking कि ये क्या हो रहा है, ये बंदा या तो sabotage हो गया, इसका फोन कोई दूसरी पार्टी ने फोन ले लिया है. So at some point I decided, and I cut the call.
Damn.
And then I see messages on WhatsApp from my Navy friends who were in Goa,
Yeah.
and they said, you were chatting with Zakir Khan. You were talking to Zakir Khan just now. He's on stage. So Zakir
Oh my God.
Zakir was he was performing, and this phone rang, which was being used for music. So he picked it up, and he put the mic. And he was,
Shit.
like, talking,
So
and
the whole
मेरा बकरा.
audience like
Yeah.
पूरा सुनाई दिया
No,
हॉल
they
में.
were laughing, and मेरी आवाज आ रही है उसमें. Then they sent me the video. In fact, Warren Vegas also sent me the video, as well as Warren, or I think one of his guys,
Yeah.
because he was recording from top, and my friends were recording from where they were sitting, and they were like, Manik. I can hear them. And I had a kind of a goosebump moment there.
Right.
I was feeling Zakir, fine.
Just a minute.
Go.
These Amazon guys, इनका मेरे को फ़ोन डिलीवरी होना था. मैं पूरा दिन वेट किया, रात के 9 बजे आके मेरे को फ़ोन डिलीवर किया है. फिर इसके लिए कोड बताओ, ये करो, वो करो, फ़ोन एक्सचेंज में दो, सब अभी करके आया हूँ मैं. आई टोल्ड हिम दैट इवनिंग तक करना है, तो बोलता है किसी डिलीवरी एजेंट का एक्सीडेंट हो गया था तो इसलिए लेट हुआ करके. फक ऑल, आई एम सो सॉरी सर.
For what phone? Redmi? What piddly phone have you bought?
Hey, OnePlus Nord 2 सर. लाइक थोड़ा स्टैंडर्ड का फ़ोन लिया है इस बार.
OnePlus कौन सा? 8,
Nord 2,
10T, क्या है?
Nord 2.
Not 2 is the latest.
Yeah.
The
30,000
the
phone.
okay.
Yeah.
And that is not the heaviest that they have.
I haven't taken the
Hmm.
heaviest because अभी थोड़ा धीरे धीरे करके upgrade कर रहा हूँ मैं.
Okay.
It's good enough for vlogging and all. So like I have taken this phone because अभी vlogging and all चालू करना है मेरे को चैनल पे. तो इसका कैमरा एंड ऑल
Okay.
काफ़ी अच्छा है. I saw all that. And फिर BGMI streams and all भी करना चालू करूँगा मैं. So for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what about other work? You're doing something else as you're 24,
23.
23.
Yeah.
So what else are you doing? Are you working, looking for work or no? This is your
I have a
Your
day
passion.
job. I have a day job. Yeah.
Okay.
So
In which field?
I am in digital marketing. So ad agency है,
Okay.
operations field में हूँ मैं उसमें, and we run
Okay.
the numbers and all. That's our
Okay.
job. Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
other than that,
So you're a software engineer.
not software engineer. Digital marketing is like much lower.
That's okay.
I do that just so that I can pay
I'm
for my
okay.
personal experiences like personal expenses at home. That's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I told my mom and dad that passion में थोड़ा time लगेगा पैसा आने में. So they're like, take a job till then. I'm like, cool. And I got a job जहाँ पे like they leave me at 6:30 in the evening and they're like, okay, you can follow your passion, do whatever you want after that. So they don't bug me
Okay.
at all, and yeah, it's a nice company. Yeah.
But it's not offline or it's not online. You're
It is
working from home
online.
right now.
I am working from home.
Okay. Okay,
I'm
so now-
posted in Delhi, but they won't call me right
Okay.
now. Yeah. So अच्छा
Okay.
है.
That's how you networking with the Delhi comics.
So what happened? I'll tell you. So the whole process was I went on Omegle to promote my channel. I put the tags कि YouTube, TikTok ये सब टैग डाला मैं. अच्छे लोग आए. 150 सब्सक्राइबर कमाया मैं. एंड फिर क्या हुआ कि एक बंदा आया अभिषेक राव करके. And like the co-host who hosts with me usually, that guy came and we had the same mic. And then we understood that okay, we both do stand-up and we both know some comedians.
Okay.
And then what happened is we collaborated and he told me that we can bring some comedians on your podcast too. He gave me the idea and I was like, yeah, of course we can.
Okay.
And then we contacted Aditya Gundeti. He said yes. So that was the start.
Okay.
So Aditya Gundeti was the
Okay.
first comedian I brought on the channel. And then Anand Ratnam आया, Kelt आया, Shankar Chugani came.
Very nice.
Biggest achievement was Family Man's writer Suman Kumar came on my channel, episode 20.
Is it?
हाँ.
Very nice. Yeah.
Yeah. So now
Send
I'm
me a link.
growing.
I need to follow you.
Sure.
Very
I'll
nice.
send you on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yeah. So without any further delay and interruptions, like no more interruptions, we'll look at the phone later. You were
So
talking
you
about the
should-
Zakir Khan experience.
In your editing, you should write few moments later.
That's what will happen. Like I'll be like one moment and then I'll go 100 years later.
Okay.
This will happen.
I am getting a call now.
Sure,
now, so
sure,
you need to
sure.
call me 1 second.
One eternity later.
Yeah, maybe.
You said that Zakir Khan was on the call actually, and then it was a very goosebumps moment for you where your whole like your friends were
Yeah,
shouting your name
I-
and yeah.
Correct. So it's there in my stories. You will see there's one whole highlight on Zakir.
Right.
And after that the show got cancelled. So
Oh shit. Okay. Oh. Right.
rather not cancelled, but it was somebody else was producing it. And then I met Zakir here when he came to Nasik. Because my family's in Nasik and I'm
Oh,
in Pune. I
Right.
keep going up and down. And I watched his show. And I met him in the green room later. Sumit Saurabh was opening for him. And it was nice. It was just to meet him. And I told him this is not the first time we're talking. We spoke once on the phone when obviously he didn't remember or
Yeah.
wouldn't recollect because there's so many things that he does
Yeah.
all around. So that was nice. So
Amazing.
that was one big moment. And then yes, Abhishek Upmanyu came. That was a very nice show. We had about 350-400 people in the audience, and
Wow.
I opened for him. And we produced the show as well as the comedians. And obviously LVC was with us, and that also went well. So
That's nice.
after that I left, but then I think Rahul Dua has also come after that. He did
Yeah.
a show in 4 Point Sheraton, and we had spoken to all the hotels when Open New was coming because we were looking for bigger places because gallery is too small, Buddha Arena is too big.
Yeah.
Veer Das came, and he gave a shout out to the comedians as well, and obviously though whenever he's touring, he always says that all comics are always welcome to just walk in, and if there are no seats, then they're always backstage. But I specifically bought
His ticket.
the center seat in the front row, first row, and I watched it
Wow.
from there.
Amazing.
And we met him later, so it was nice. So I always have these fan moments, and 5 years into comedy, still I am very overjoyed to meet people. The comics, obviously. Like we go for open mics to Delhi.
Yeah.
Summer House Cafe, Manik Mana is so kind to give me a spot whenever I
Yeah,
am
yeah,
around. And that is in such an amazing room. The open mic is no less than a show. Because the
Damn.
lineup is such. Dav Chisti hosting, or the other guy, he has his own room as well.
Yeah, yeah. I think Kishore Dayani, right?
No, Kishore Diani has his own rooms.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
another youngster. I'm so sorry, I'm forgetting his name.
Bharat
I should-
Sharma.
Not Bharat Sharma. Now, sorry, we have to now find out.
Okay.
Because he needs a shout out here. Yes, he's cool too. 1 second, just let me. Can I take this time?
Yeah, of course,
To
of
check.
course. So just so you know, like, you had your fanboy moments with comedians, and I am having like my kind of fanboy moment with you right now.
Not at all here. I am
Talking to a senior
Not even-
comedian, who
senior
who
comedian.
was in the like Indian Navy's most versatile position ever. Aviation, sea time, and what not.
Costume.
Oh, okay,
Costume अगर वो.
okay,
Costume, and he has his own room as well,
right.
which is called something. That also I'll tell you. So Manik Mana got me. In fact, I spoke with Swati also regarding open mics कहाँ करना है. She told me a few rooms.
Right.
Super Talks.
Super Talks.
is his room.
अरे हाँ हाँ, अभी वहाँ पे श्रीजन कौशिक का शो होने वाला है. श्रीजन and 2 more comedians.
Then Happy High, Arun and I think one more guy, Happy High, the 3
Right.
comics who look after Happy High. Very nice room, yeah. Very photogenic room as well.
Wow.
And Summer House is by far the best. I have not been able to do anything with Kishore Dayani because mics got cancelled or whatever. But yes, Manik
Right.
Mana definitely helped me a lot. And I met everybody from Basti to Devesh
Damn.
Dixit to Vijay Yadav. Everybody's doing a spot. Somebody's just hanging out, just to chill out. It was
Wow.
fun. And one of my favorites, Shivam Lakampal also. I met him a couple
Yeah,
of
yeah,
times
yeah.
there.
I've
And I remember the
I've
first
done
time
I think
the
I've
first
done a
time I
mic
met him-
with Shivam. Online.
In fact, the first
not-
time,
Yeah.
no, he doesn't do much online, but maybe he would have started.
Once or
But I
twice. Like
remember
he has done very
many-
less online mics.
Yeah.
And yeah, maybe once.
Very, very organic, very organic comic, and
Yeah.
really not commercial. Just he and his 2 videos was so amazing.
Yeah.
I watched him, and I almost wanted to take a selfie with him when another youngster who used to be in our audience in Vizag, he's now in Delhi. I have to forget his name, and he's open micing. He
Oh.
came up to him and said that, "Can I take a selfie?" To Shivam, and he said, "We are all comics, yeah. You are also an open micer now. It doesn't look nice, hey, wo." And I kept my phone inside
Oh damn.
because it's cool fun. It's always fun to
Nice.
be in Delhi. I love the Delhi vibe, the comedy
Right.
scene. It's amazing. It's nice. Nitin Mandal and all these people, they have their own Saurabh comic, Saurabh.
Saurabh Pandey.
And yeah.
Saurabh Pandey is
and-
a very nice person. I mean, shout out to him here because he is helping me a lot right now with some stuff.
Saurabh
Like,
Pandey.
and he's a very
And there's
supportive
so many-
person.
And I really feel bad that I'm so bad with names. Maybe age. Shriya Priyam was there, Swati Sachdeva was there.
Right,
Then this
right.
Another guy, he does really amazing stuff. I'm forgetting it. Mayank was there.
Which man?
Pandey, I think.
Oh,
Mayank
okay,
Pandey.
okay, yeah.
So so it's nice.
Mayank
That's
Pandey
very
is
nice.
also, I think, also runs a room, if I'm not wrong.
Okay.
I
no, I'm not
think
sure.
or
But
it
because
might
Delhi
be
is
some
so
other
big
Pandey,
and
but yeah.
there's so many WhatsApp groups, and then
Right.
you'll get a notification of some open mic happening somewhere, and it'll be somebody Shadara or some place you don't know metro कहाँ से जाती है.
Yeah.
very difficult. You are sitting in some place in Gurgaon, udhar se udhar. Gurgaon is a very
Right.
nice venue. That venue is a pet-friendly venue. They have dogs.
Oh,
They have dogs in the facility, as in they are rescued dogs, or people can leave their dogs there. I'm forgetting the
oh,
name.
right.
Indersani
And
did a,
okay, got it. Yeah.
yeah, it's on that golf link road, and it was
Okay.
very close to my hotel. So I walked down. Indersani was doing a show, and I did a spot. So that was nice. So Delhi that way is nice. I don't know how we reached this part of the
Wow.
conversation, but point is that I've been in comedy for long, and I really don't. I am quite passionate about it, but I really don't do much to improve my writing skills.
Right.
And my jokes are quite mediocre, and everybody knows that. So, but I
No,
get a lot of
no.
respect. In fact, there is a
I
sense
don't
of
agree.
awkwardness as well. There is sense of awkwardness as well,
Yeah.
because I'm meeting Basti. He's calling me Manik, and I think Manik sir. Yes sir, sir. We both are studying each other because you are a senior comic. I am senior by age. Now
Yeah.
what do we do? Plus I have a job, and so वो होता ना कि इसको वो भूख नहीं है. This is not what runs his whatever.
Yeah.
So, but still, Hyderabad also. I have spent a lot of time in Hyderabad. Avinash
Right.
Agarwal was there, and then you see
Uh,
RSM and Vivek. Vivek is such a
Vivek Muralidharan.
he's yeah. Especially if you see his special on YouTube, India Juice. It's amazing. So I've
I
done a lot
talked
of
to
mics in
him.
Hyderabad as well.
I
So
talked to
like you say,
Vivek
no,
after an open mic, and what an amazing person. We talked for like 1.5 hours. Everybody left, and like me and Vivek were like still there talking for half an hour
okay.
more. And then I was like,
No, he's very passionate, and it's so funny and sad at the same time that when this whole lockdown started,
yeah,
he just quit his job. He quit his job to take up stand-up
he was
comedy
gonna do
full
a
time,
tour. He was
and
gonna do a
then the
tour.
lockdown happened.
He
Then he was
made
doing a daily
vlogs.
show as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was doing a daily show as well, and his rants on the terrace are quite amazing. So it's
Yeah.
very very, and so I was, if you see the different styles of writing, and I think it comes from Rajshekhar Mamindan, RSM as well, and Vivek told me that that he never writes a single sentence or line. He never put pen to paper for his jokes.
Okay.
It's all when he's on the bike going to work or coming back from work, something comes up, he thinks about it, and it's all in the head. There is no material on paper. Like I am doing a 2 minute bit for give me your worst joke. That is Kajol Srinivasan's show.
Oh, okay.
And I've written buddy 2 pages of all my most cringy jokes. So it's supposed to be give me your worst joke.
Okay.
And so it's happening on Saturday. Yeah, shout out 31st July. Thirst trap.
This is
Tickets on
29th.
Insider.
I'll release this by 31st afternoon. And
No, it's okay. So,
but
so
right.
for 2 minutes, so I have just taken out all my 5 years ka material to find my cringiest jokes. I said, no, I'm not going to write anything fresh, whatever did not work or what was cringy or bad. And I'm very happy to note that I have got lots of material. Very nice. Like, let me
Yeah.
try this one with you. My last transfer was in Visakhapatnam, and having stayed there for long, from a guy's perspective, it should be called Vishaka no Patnam.
This-
Vishaka never Patnam. Vishaka hardly Patnam. It's bad, no?
No comments.
Did you get the joke?
I don't have any better jokes in my set.
But did you get the joke?
Putnam in the sense you were talking about.
Patana.
Ha, exactly.
No Patnam.
Yeah.
Good, thank God. It's a bad joke. So you're supposed to do bad jokes, yeah? So that's all there is over here.
Yeah, I mean, as an
And
open
I'm
micer,
just-
I can't say that I have any better jokes. So yeah.
I am using your podcast as an open mic. Test my material. Let me do another one. So I am an ex naval officer, and just a week back I went for this Kargil Divas. One school called me to give an address to the children, and the principal welcomed me with a naval salute, and I had to tell him that, sir, naval salute is like this, not like this.
This is a good joke, dude. Like, don't put it in this cringe wala here. This is a very good joke.
Naval salute. Or it's about
Oh my God.
when I introduce myself to people, saying that I'm an ex-naval officer.
Yeah.
They start staring at my midriff and my belly and think, eh? Then what happened?
This was very.
Ex-naval officer. Now you don't have a naval.
Oh my
Should
God.
explain the joke.
Ah.
So,
Yeah.
such bad jokes I'm writing right now, or rather, just taking out from my whatever
Right.
writings. Yeah, tell me.
Ah. So,
What else?
My God, it's so much fun to talk to you. I was gonna ask, how do you become a pilot? Yes, this is a question that I wanted to address for someone who might be pursuing.
No, there are very many ways of becoming a pilot. Depends on whether you want to become a military pilot or you want to become a commercial pilot,
Yeah.
or just for for fun. So
Can you become a pilot just for fun? I'd like to do that.
yeah, there are a lot of interest. Richard Branson is a pilot, no? A lot of people who have a lot of money are pilots because
Oh,
they
shit, okay,
they buy their
yeah.
aircraft and then they fly.
Right.
Uh,
It'll take time.
Greece. John Travolta is a pilot,
Ah, right. Yeah.
and there's so many others, Indians also. I don't know their names, but yes.
But I think the
people
first
fly
step,
as a hobby.
yeah.
First step, it depends. If you want to become a military pilot, then you can't. Then it's like taking a chance because you have to first join the Air Force
Of course.
as a pilot, and then they train you, and the chances of attrition are there.
Right.
Because Air Force has its own requirements. The military has its own requirements. Same thing goes with the Navy as well. After a certain stage in your training and at a certain age, you apply for aviation, and if you get selected, so there are a lot of ifs and buts in both cases. Commercial pilot, you just need to go to any of these clubs, flying clubs. IGRUA is there in Allahabad,
Right.
Patiala Flying Club, there's Chimes Aviation Academy. There's so many. You just need to Google where the clubs are and go to them. Some of them do everything for you because there are two parts. One is the flying, the other is the license part, for which you have to give a lot of exams, take exams and clear exams. And everything is there on the DGCA site, Director General of
Yes.
Civil Aviation, on what all you need to do. You need to have a separate license for communicating, for giving RT calls. That's a different license. Then there's a student pilot license is what you first get when you start flying. Then you get your required number of hours. You get a commercial pilot license. Based on a CPL, you can join an aviation commercial airline company as a first officer.
Okay.
And then you try and collate more hours. That is, I think minimum is 1500 hours required to finally do the ATPL, which is the Airline Transport Pilot License, which is the main license after which you can get command of an aircraft in the commercial stream.
Oh, okay. So you are the captain, and the one sitting with you is the one with CPL or something like that.
In fact, I am an ATPL holder, but I am not the captain. Right now I have joined as a co-pilot because
Oh.
I have over 3000 hours, but fighter background. Since you have flown fighters, single seat cockpit, the experience is different from flying a multi-engine and multi-crew cockpit. So they
Wow.
take you as a senior first officer, which is not a first officer and not a captain, somewhere in between. And you're required to do certain very minimal number of hours to basically they just want you to get comfortable with the new environment, and then you can take up command.
Wow.
But if you're from the transport stream, then you can get inducted as a transition captain, in which case they do a certain syllabus of flying with you and you straight away become a captain. So there are various requirements, and you fit in wherever what suits you. Or so for a fighter stream guy, you always start from the right seat and it's the right thing to do, because commercial aviation is a different ball game altogether, and it takes you that much time, 500 hours, to understand how it works. So that's how it is about flying.
Damn.
What
This
else?
is all so fascinating to me because I saw a story one day and like it was from the cockpit
I-
and there were like only clouds, and it was so surreal to see it. And I was like, I don't know how it feels to go in the cockpit, like sitting on the chair, just
It's just
you
another
have the
day
best
at work.
view.
Yeah,
I know, but
that is true.
for
Best
us,
sunburn also because of the sun.
right? Damn.
Yeah, tell me what else
So,
you want to talk
was
about?
it your passion, being a pilot, or did it just like happen because someone told you, or family pressure? What
No,
was it
not
really?
really. I think I'm quite lucky that way. Because now I see there's so many options and what all people do after 12th. So after 12th, I in between I was preparing for engineering as well, and my brother had already dropped a year. He's 2 years elder to me. He had dropped a year for IIT, and I had started taking. I used to stay with my grandparents in Dehradun.
Yeah.
So my parents used to visit, and in one of their visits they saw कि लड़का ट्यूशन लगा के बैठा है अपना इंजीनियरिंग की तैयारी कर रहा है 11th क्लास में.
Huh.
I said 1 year preparation is required. They're like, please, one guy has already taken a year off. You also want to go the same way? And they tried
Oh
to
my
discourage me.
god.
But anyhow, long story short, basically, I just filled two forms after my 12th.
Okay.
One was for UPSC, that is for NDA and Naval Academy. It was a combined form
Okay.
for joining the defense.
Yeah.
And the other was for Merchant Navy, TS Rajendra,
Oh, right,
training
right,
ship
right.
Rajendra ka
Yeah, yeah.
Merchant Navy. And then obviously this UPSC exam happened first, and there was a choice. Either you could opt for NDA, Army, Navy, Air Force, or Naval Academy. Naval Academy had to be either your first choice or last choice. You couldn't put it in between.
Mm-hmm.
And I think the merit had come. I was fourth or sixth in the NDA list and second in the Naval Academy list.
Damn.
So I went, yeah, and I was second in the Naval Academy list, and the first guy didn't turn up. So this is about when I was joining.
Okay.
Anyhow, I went for my TS Rajendra exam to Delhi, stayed with my bua, and partied with my cousin, and did not go for the exam. So I never. क्योंकि इसका रिजल्ट आ गया, मैंने कहा हो गया जो हो गया, क्या करना है इधर
Of course. Yeah.
मुंह मार के. So that's what happened. So then I joined Naval Academy, which was in Goa, and it sounds very, snazzy. NAVAC, Naval Academy, Executive Branch, Goa.
Oh wow.
But then training is training. Training is
Right.
training. So
Right.
we spent 3 years in Goa then. And after that you did the pura training pattern, and it all started then, 1990,
Right.
93.
Damn.
So,
Crazy.
and later in 1999, I opted for aviation and I joined flying, and it was good.
What do you exactly do right now? You're a commercial pilot, right?
Yeah, I'm a commercial pilot now. Yes.
You've done
So-
so much stuff in your life. You're literally what we call overachievers. You are from that sect.
Not really, but still, I will humbly accept your
Trust
grat-
me, like from a backbencher, this is coming from a backbencher in engineering. So definitely an overachiever from my perspective.
Not really, but you're mentioning how do you manage time for comedy and
Yes, I
So-
was just gonna ask.
So anyway, in the Navy, I was there in Vizag Comedians. So that was my free time. Open mic है तो जाने का है. So I used to stay on Dolphin Hill. From Dolphin Hill, you come down to city, to gallery to do your mics. In fact, we did a mic in the Navy also. Once we organized
wow.
a musical comedy evening. So there was a band. I just saw the name when I was going through my material. There's a band. How can I forget the name of that other place here where we used to do comedy? It was on the terrace of this place called. I'm just not getting the name. And that was a really nice venue, and they used to really support us well. Samir was the owner of that place. He was a guitarist himself, and I'm just forgetting the name of that place, and I'm not liking it. Shall I search? No. You can
thoda-
put it in your editing later.
Yeah,
You put the name. I'll tell you. I'll find the name and I'll let you know, because that was
Sure.
Vikram Podar did a kind of a small show there once.
Okay.
So Yeah, open mics. I used to go initially. There was so much of interest, excitement, hype. I was fairly senior in the Navy then. I had a lot of juniors, and these junior officers, pilots in my squadron. Arey sir, Mike, we will also come. They used to come and support me
Wow.
for one mic, for two mics, for three mics, and then they started, avoiding me in the corridors at work. कि आज वीकेंड आ रहा है, ये भी बोलेगा कि सैटरडे को ओपन माइक है, तो जाके बैठ के वही इनका रद्दी सुनना पड़ेगा.
आई थिंक बहुत बार ये होता है ना ओपन माइक्स में जब लोग आते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली देयर आर लॉट ऑफ रिपीटेड जोक्स एंड
Repeated jokes and quality of our open mic was also not
Right.
that great. We had some really great mics as well, but still.
Hmm.
And mics are, everybody's fairly new. There are two, three people. I used to host generally. Akash had joined later. पहले Ashish था. Ashish was
Ashish was there. Arjun
there.
also.
Ashish, Arjun started, and Arjun was there. Arjun, Akash, and Ashish were the main
Right.
players. There are a lot of people, other youngsters, who thought that this would be amazing for their portfolio, and for this was their own offline Tinder. So they realized too soon कि यार इससे कुछ होने नहीं वाला.
Right.
Then Nikhil joined. Nikhil used to come and watch us, and Nikhil said that I'm going to manage you
हाँ.
guys. So Nikhil started managing us. That's also a very funny story because we are always like, what are you going to do? What are you bringing to the table? And हमारा वैसे ही कुछ था नहीं. ऐसा नहीं कि हम बहुत amazing कुछ वो कर रहे हैं, but still. And we did a
Right.
couple of shows, and they were very nice. He used to really run around for all the backstage,
Right.
stuff. It was. I don't know if he's still there in.
I don't think
Well,
Nikhil
there was-
is here anymore, but yeah, I mean,
Chitrakavi was also there. Chitrakavi.
he comes sometimes.
Rahul was there. Rahul used to do his Telugu comedy.
I think
And
yeah,
we
Rahul
can-
is also a part. Right, even now Rahul is a part. of-
Zohan was there, and he would do his own jokes. I don't know what he's up to
Right.
now. So that was fun. It was good fun, and that's how I started doing. And I started going on stage. I used to get paid for the park shows, in fact, for managing the whole thing. And for 5 minutes, I used to get a decent amount for those 5 minutes. In fact, too much. And
Wow. Gotta
yeah.
gotta talk to Park. Let like materialize on something.
And then I did shows for the Navy as well, for my squadron, for the Navy night. We took Visa comedians only to the Navy night. I went to Port Blair. We did some corporate shows with ICICI and
Wow.
some Rotary
Yeah,
Club,
yeah, yeah.
Rotary Club also.
I think Ashish and all have also done some corporate shows with Wipro and all these companies. कुछ
Yeah.
किए हुए हैं. I've got to know. Yeah.
Correct. And
But I think,
we got people from outside also. Sort of
Yeah,
bigger
yeah.
show, a bigger requirement. Like we tried to collaborate with IIM Vizag. I was not there. I was not happy with that deal. But then these guys went and they did something. Then this was about RSM also. We got sometimes I used to call people from outside. I was, some things worked out, some didn't because
I
You know
think
how
I
college
think
shows are.
the
Abhish Matthew came to Geetam.
oh right
So-
right.
Saurabh Sinha. How can I forget Saurabh Sinha? Yeah, Saurabh Sinha and Sagar. They were in Geetam,
Okay.
and so they were in fact first there. Then Ashish came, and Saurabh and self we used to generally manage the room,
Oh, okay
and then I took over from Saurabh.
right.
So Saurabh Sinha, he is in Bangalore now, working in Bangalore, and he used to do his own blog as well. कुछ
Oh.
जाके ना बीच रोड पे जाके लोगों से
कुछ
बहुत ही
पूछता
cheap Charlie question
लास्ट
पूछ के
वेगस
कभी-
टाइप्स. Okay, got it.
उसको थप्पड़ भी पड़े उसको.
Oh.
So he has very interesting stories. We got beaten up because of his, passion for making funny videos. So funny
Right.
videos means funny questions. Funny questions means somebody will take offense.
Of course. Funny questions वाले देखे हैं मैंने बहुत. Yeah. Nice.
So that is it. And then I left the Navy. Now also I do the same thing. Like whenever I get time. When offline था तो Nasik, wherever I was doing open mics. When I go to Delhi, I am on duty. Whenever I have off time, I take a call. कि
Correct. Okay.
क्योंकि late night है, early morning है. Whenever I get a window, I do. Like I went to Chandigarh for 4-5 days, and I had a.
हाँ, उस time तो बात हुई थी हमारी.
Yeah, है ना?
मैंने-
वहाँ से कुछ किया था क्या?
अरे ABC का रूम था Bharat and you were
Correct.
on the call, video call, and there I have shameless plug-in.
Yeah, they were sitting.
Sir.
They were sitting in my room. They were sitting in my room. Yeah, they had come
Exactly.
back from the
Yeah,
on the
yeah,
mic.
yeah.
First day there were 2 people in the mic. Second day there was 1 audience, and after that fourth day we recorded. We did there was a lineup show, and I recorded
Yeah, yeah,
my
yeah.
bit. So it's not the best, but yeah, it was a good.
Are you gonna
experience.
release?
I don't know. I'm gonna get the final cut tomorrow. Let's see.
फिर डाल दो
After
सर,
editing.
डाल दो.
No, it's not. It's not the best, and like I said, I was just doing it for
I mean,
fun and just
I
to,
think the only measure is कितना हंसे हैं लोग वीडियो में.
No, so the audience we were only 17, 18 people in the audience, but still they were very supportive. But you need more people
Okay.
to get a proper, at least for a recording. But काफी है, laughs are there.
There is
अगर
अगर आपको कभी रिकॉर्डिंग करवानी है, there is a very good room in Nagpur. Yashvardhan Chaudhary started it recently.
Yes, Nagpur comedians.
Yes.
Yes.
And
Yes,
it is a great room. I've got to know. बहुत ही बजट रूम है, मतलब बहुत ही ये अच्छा इंटीरियर एंड ऑल है. लोग आते हैं वहाँ पे देखने के लिए, रिकॉर्डिंग अच्छी खासी हो जाती है. And
No, I almost went. I had a layover in Nagpur. I messaged Yash कि भाई आ रहा हूँ मैं. One day, whatever mic है, ऐसे ही बैठेंगे, we'll hang out.
right.
Then it got cancelled, so I didn't go to Nagpur. But yes,
Right now
we
the
did
only
that Calcutta
problem
show.
is lockdowns right now. मतलब
correct.
नागपुर में I think level 3 lockdown and all लगा हुआ रहता है बीच में. तो उसके वजह से
Okay.
there are some frustrations happening between the public
Yeah.
and the government. But other than that, जब खुल जाएगा नागपुर अच्छे से, तो I think that will be a great room for people to record because बहुत budget में है.
No, recording, there are enough opportunities in Bombay as well. I'm in Pune, I can always drive down, but I am not very great with networking. One. Second is...
Sir, the number of names you took on the podcast.
No, but we are on very acquaintance basis with most of them. And
Yeah.
some are good friends as well, but still, well, I really don't press to ensure that I keep in touch or do something. Show का बात होता, वाइजैक में था तब काफी बात होती थी, and that way there are lots. Angad Ranyal, Sapan Verma, Sonali Thakkar, Anshu Moore. In fact, he came to Vizag. He came to the Voltaire Club.
Oh,
And
right.
I couldn't go to watch him, but then we called him for an open mic. Our first open mic, which we did, Anshu Moore had come. Neeti Palta had also come for the open mic. She never came. She had come to the Park Room earlier. And Amit Tandon I met. I opened for him in Nasik. He was doing a show in Nasik, so I just messaged him and he was so kind to give me a spot, another opening spot for him.
Wow.
But still, yeah. So, North Indians are famous for just dropping names for... acha.
Right.
Amit, apna Amit. But the fact of the matter is that it's a very kind of a professional kind of a work.
Yeah.
He very nice soul, human being. In fact, they're working on some other show, and he asked me if I, want to be a part of it. It was nice. Let's see. But it takes a lot of effort here.
It
I
does.
don't put that much effort off stage in writing or in networking, and you have to really follow up. So I got my plate full otherwise. So I just जहाँ मौका मिलता है कर लेता हूँ. Recording was just so when you think of recording, it's a very weird or an amazing experience, because if you for whatever reason ever think of doing a special, I'll do a 1 hour पूरा मैंने बनाया है या फिर, and then I would probably have 2.5 to 3 hours or maybe more material
Wow.
of mediocre jokes.
Okay.
When I think of, and it does the job. It does the job. But when you think of a YouTube video, you feel कि नहीं ये this is not good. I had this whole that Chandigarh phase. I was so much pressure, and I lost faith in my material or my jokes. I felt कि यार ये funny नहीं है, ये थोड़ा below the belt है, इसका ये है हर चीज में. So then you realize that how much more effort is required, and you can't just go on the first thought and write something, because that's what Park did to me now. Because we had a monthly show. Hosting came later, but earlier I used to get spots, and I was almost doing a spot every month.
Mm-hmm.
and it was 3 minutes. Rof bolta tha, we used to do 5 to 6. So all my material is 5 to 6 minutes of something. Some of
But you
them are
can have
topical of
segues, right? I
उस
mean,
टाइम का. Yeah, so ऐसे जोड़ के 5 5 मिनट का ना, बस the requirement was, and the kind of mics that happened there, invariably I was doing fresh material in a paid in a show,
oh my
and
god, okay.
it used to, sometimes it was like made 2 days before, and it used to work because the audience knew me well. I was a page 3 sensation in Vizag. Whatever I said was, "Arey yaar,
Right.
very funny, very funny."
Yeah.
And the quality of the joke was whatever it was, because you could know from the comics who came, they were like, "हाँ ठीक था, but yeah, nice, good." Yes, I knew.
Right.
Yeah, I was just pulling through. So
Right.
it requires a little more effort, little money. Like I was doing a radio whatever interview, RJ Chandigarh का कुछ अभी on
Oh.
Kargil Divas. And so I was telling, to reach 80% of a skill level, you take any sports or any performing or any art form, to reach 80% potential, it takes 20% effort. But to excel and get that balance 20%, it takes 80% effort.
Mm.
That is where you filter out the viral comics or the ones who are really good from the ones who are not as maybe. So I feel that effort, that 20% ka effort, na, if you take up a sport, you take up tennis or badminton or cricket or squash, whatever, basics, you will become decent very quickly. But from decent to become a really excellent player or really excel in that field,
Right.
that 20% takes 80% effort.
Got it.
That's the
This I'll
mathematics.
keep in mind.
Yeah, because it's very easy to be decent and good in any field.
Great
To excel
is
and
what.
really
Yeah.
greatness, so greatness comes with something else. Apart from your own skill, it is
No, I
all
mean
about,
not greatness. Greatness is not fame wise,
Yeah,
but I mean
just
to be
being good.
great at it. Yeah.
Yeah, to be great at it, that effort
Gotta
is
work.
too much.
Got
Yeah,
it.
you can sit and write a joke. You will not be able to. Your mind will go, अरे chocolate खा लूं, अरे नहीं वो अच्छा ये टीवी पे क्या आ रहा है.
It is
And
very
in
difficult.
today's world, there's so many distractions. Yeah, and the same joke. I know I have got so many jokes. I know I need to do something about it, but you don't feel like doing anything, and you just take the same material, go and present
Yeah.
it, and that's how you become a good host.
Right. Yeah.
So that's
Oh
it.
my God. We are out of time, but
Yeah,
thank you
we are
so
out of time.
much, sir, for doing this. And और भी बात करेंगे. आपको मैं लाइव
Yeah.
स्ट्रीम्स पे लाऊंगा. Very fun live streams with other comedians maybe, and we'll talk about like these things more in detail maybe. And thank you so much for all these inputs that you gave
Hey.
today. And
Inputs.
it was lovely to
No
talk
problem.
to you. But I mean, जो बोलता है फनी नहीं है वो जाके मूड डाले कहीं पे. But
अरे नहीं. Thank you, man, for this opportunity, and I feel like this is my star moment.
for sure.
So
I think
thank you so much. It was nice talking to you, and I wish your channel and your endeavors all the best.
thank you so
uh,
much, sir.
Put in that 80% to get that 20% right. And,
I am trying my best. Busy all day with all these things. Let's see where it takes me.
Good.
But yeah, I'm putting all my effort into it. And एक ही चीज़ है कि मैं बहुत ढीठ हूँ सर. मतलब I will.
That's a good quality.
I will do it. I mean,
That's a good quality. That's what I
Yeah.
say. That's a good quality. So good.
yeah.
So hope to see your channel grow.
And
hope to-
I am definitely gonna do stand up with you because I'd love to. I'd love to.
Yeah.
And then green room session
So-
में bitching करना ये सब वो सब, like hanging out with a comic is always fun for me, like senior comic, because I get to learn a lot personally when I talk to any senior comic who has been doing it for 5-7 years. I get to learn a lot from them, and it helps me with my content a lot because point is I have just started 8 months ago and I'm very new at this, and matlab, I get to know that what I'm aspiring sometimes might be too materialistic when it comes to stand-up comedy, because बहुत लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि सर स्पेशल कब आ रहा है, ये सब बहुत पूछते हैं कॉमेडियंस को, बट देन Shankar Chugani one day, when he came on my channel, he was like, I don't care about, these specials and all. I'm not running behind these things. All I want to do is do stand-up every day with 30 people in a room, and I just want to make them laugh as much as possible. Like, he's like, I'm like,
Yeah.
that's amazing. And then he says, I mean, 30 plus is also great. I won't deny. He says that. I'm like, I understand your, the kind of perspective he's putting on the table, and I'm like, that is a great perspective, because I think Shankar is like, going from that perspective, Shankar is one of the happiest comics right now, because whatever he does, people see him and people love him for that, and he doesn't aspire too much. He just wants to make people laugh, and I think that is the purest form of stand-up
Great thought.
comedian, out there.
Yeah.
So
No,
yeah, I
so
get to
yeah,
learn a
that's
lot
what-
of new stuff.
Great. And thank you so much once again for calling me. And maniac.mehta is my Insta handle.
Yeah, I will drop
I
it.
need to
It's always in the description, the guest Insta
I need
ID.
to-
Yes.
I need to reach 1K followers. That is my lifelong goal.
Everybody who sees this needs to follow Manik Mehta, because he puts some amazing pilot snaps, and he knows a lot of
I
comedians.
don't put much, but yes, whenever I'm in the mood, I put. Otherwise,
I think you can start
it's
vlogging,
better.
sir.
No, I don't want too much limelight.
Why not?
Only ring light.
I have one.
It's too much effort. It's too much effort. It's too much effort. Yeah. It sounds fun, but it's a
Talk
commitment. You know
to
better.
Gaurav,
Ah,
Rashi ke Papa.
Flying Beast, no.
Yes.
No. I think he's doing a damn good job. I don't have
Yeah.
that vibe or that personality. And
Sir,
I might be
Yeah.
I might be attention seeking, but I'm a very private person as well. So I can't.
No, but sir,
leave
one
someone
thing
on the
is
camera
one
and,
thing is true. Like,
except for the fact that yes, since we are talking about it, this is my house. Please have a look, guys.
this is the mini vlog of Manik Mehta, starting off from my channel. I don't know. I'll convince him to put a full vlog, guys. But sir, I just want to say
Yeah.
that you have a very interesting personality, and people would love to see you talk. Don't underestimate yourself that way, please. Please don't.
Thank you very much.
You're very humble
Thank you.
that way, but yes, you have an amazing
Means a lot.
personality.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Loved
you. I'm
talking
just
to
happy
you.
making jokes and like Shankar said, and I quote, 30 room. Shanky.
Yeah, but it was so much fun to talk to you. Thank you so much for being here and giving your time. And really sorry for leaving you.
Congratulations on a new phone.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. It is
Enjoy
so
the
embarrassing,
unboxing.
man. Oh my god, this
The
is
next
so
video
embarrassing.
can be the unboxing of your video. In fact, I just came. You don't even know how much there is and what all you know. I just followed this one group or guy. I'll just tell you the name. Just yesterday. And what content, yeah. And you might be already following them. Once again, let me just. Come on, Manik, don't.
It's the age.
Yeah.
You said.
Is
Earlier.
the Jord Indian. The Jord
Yeah,
Indian.
Jordan
You know
Indian.
this?
Yeah, Jordan Indian. Yeah.
Yeah, I never knew about them. Yeah, and look at
Those guys
what
are
amazing stuff they're doing.
huge.
Satish Ray.
Yeah.
Ray, I just because of Rahagir I saw Satish.
Yeah.
And like such easy-going content. Yeah, just
Yeah.
doing his thing and.
They had this
amazing.
song with Brothervi called Wineco.
They actually put stand-up comedians to shame यार. मतलब एक मोबाइल पे घर पे बैठ के तुम 15 सेकंड का 30 सेकंड का तुम जोक बनाया तुमने. कॉमिक पहले जोक लिखता है, फिर उसको काटता है, फिर
Right.
लिखता है, काटता है, फिर उसको ओपन माइक में लेके जाता है, उसको
Right.
50-100 बार करके फिर शो में डालता है.
Damn.
Instagram
Yeah, they
पे
do great stuff.
immediate remuneration, you're getting immediate validation, everything.
Yeah, that's true.
But that's easier said than done. I'm sure it takes a lot more effort to edit and to
Yeah, it
think
does.
of new plots. And Yeah, so that's why I have a lot of thoughts. I keep thinking of reels.
सर बनाओ सर, क्या कर रहे हो मतलब? You must have
Reels
like
on
really
wheels.
funny. Yeah, exact. Reels in
on
air.
wheels.
That's your thing. What wheels?
वही है कि उसमें इन शॉर्ट्स में फिर ऐसे कट करके ये म्यूजिक कैसे डाला. मैं सत्या इज वेरी डियर फ्रेंड सत्याव्रत, बस मुझे तू कैसे डालता है यार, ये बीच में ऐसे कैसे आता है बीच में, ये पीछे अ फ्यू मोमेंट्स लेटर, ये कहाँ से आया?
ये सब
You know that-
बाहर से करना पड़ता. If you wanna put these things, it all happens on Premiere Pro and like Final
इन
Cut.
शॉर्ट पे भी होता है वही कि अरे पीपल आर वेरी वेल वर्स्ड, ये डाउनलोड किया. माय फोन आई कांट क्लिक अ फोटोग्राफ राइट नाउ because of it is OnePlus. There is no external memory.
Ah.
Storage is always full. Storage is full. I
Yeah.
can't click a photograph. I have to delete stuff. Cloud is full. This is full. हर जगह full है एकदम.
Oh
I
damn.
feel handicapped. Anyway,
I'll
thank you
help
so
you with
much.
it, sir.
I think-
I am a tech savvy. I have helped
shall
Badal
take your
Sharma a lot with his OBS. He has
Okay.
given me hell after doing. He has done BCA. Okay, computer applications
Okay.
में bachelor's किया है. Then he comes to me. He's like, "यार OBS चलाना सिखा दे." 3 hours. It took me 3 hours to set up a trial stream on YouTube.
wow,
So, yeah.
nice.
But yeah, I'll
More
help you with
power to you,
anything.
more
Anything.
success. Yeah, I will ping
want.
you if I get stuck. As of now, it's all about management of
Sure.
storage space, taking backup
Alright.
in laptop. Bye bye.
I have
Thank you so
I
much
have to
for
produce a
coming.
show now, like host a show.
Yeah.
So thank you so much,
the best.
Manik sir, for coming here talking to me. I'll bring you on more streams if you are up for it.
Please.
And next time there won't be any new phones arriving at my home. So really sorry for that. Really sorry for that.
It's okay.
Oh, it
it's
was
okay.
very embarrassing.
All the best.
पहला meeting ही ऐसा
All-
गया.
All the best for the show, and please wish Karthik PK also all the best for his first hour.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank
Bye.
you. And to
We done?
everyone who is here,
Naval salute.
naval salute. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. I'll bring you more such podcasts. Couch Potatoes signing out.